Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete a group in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and write comments under this video. And let us get started with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then at the bottom, go to the Chats section and select the group you would like to delete. Let me tell you right away that you will only be able to delete your group if you are the creator or the administrator of the group. Once you go to the group, you will need to click on the group name at the top of the page. And then scroll down here. And unfortunately, there is no direct function to delete a group, but there is a workaround. First of all, you will need to remove all members from the group. To do this, click on a member and select Remove from Group. Next, confirm your action. And after you have done this with all the participants who have been added to this group on WhatsApp, at the bottom, select Leave Group. And click Leave. So you can then click Delete Group. And the group will be deleted because there are no more members. Friends, this is how you can delete your group in WhatsApp. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.